Hi, this is Manton. I want to show a quick demo of how Micro.blog works with replies from other platforms. Of course, you can reply in Micro.blog and it's easy, it just kind of does the right thing. But what if you are hosting or you know somebody or someone's reading your blog that's hosting on WordPress or something different? So I want to show how that works with the IndieWeb standard Webmention. So this is a short microblog post on my own blog. And you can see Micro.blog includes a couple replies there on the post page. And then I've created this test blog on WordPress, test.manton.org, just a test site. And I'm going to use that to test how this works. I'm also going to use a web app called Quill. This is a Micropub client that can post to either Micro.blog or other sites that are compatible with Micropub. And you can see I've already logged in to this test site, test.manton.org. So I'm going to create a reply post, and I'll just paste in the URL for that blog post on my own site that I'm going to reply to. One of the nice things that Quill does is it previews the post I'm going to reply to. It does this by looking at that post for microformats markup, so it can see, what the photo is and what the post is and the URL. And so all the Micro.blog themes support that automatically. And then I'll just say, this is a test reply. I can reply whatever I want. We'll leave everything else blank, and I'll hit post. And so Quill is going to post to WordPress, and you can see it's done that. It's refreshed my WordPress blog. It says in reply to this, and then it has the post, the reply text. So at this point, what happens is it posts to WordPress, and then WordPress discovers my blog, that it supports Webmention, and it forwards that over using the Webmention protocol. And Micro.blog just handles that automatically. If I was using WordPress and I was registered on Micro.blog, so that Micro.blog knew what my site was, it would also automatically show that reply as coming from my Micro.blog account. But not everybody has a Micro.blog account. That's fine. You shouldn't have to register necessarily on Micro.blog. So what does it do? So let's go back to my blog. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to refresh this page. And you can see at the bottom, there is a new reply. And it has the text that I typed in. And for the username, because this test blog, it doesn't have a Micro.blog account, it just puts the domain name, in this case, the subdomain. But usually this would be like yourdomain.com. And so it treats this as like a special user. And there it is, right on my blog. I can also go into Micro.blog itself, and I can click on the mentions tab for my account. And I'll see that I have a new mention that is from this blog. And then I can click on conversation, and I can see my original post, the replies that I got on Micro.blog, and then also this reply that came in from Webmention. So the idea is to make Micro.blog just play nice with the rest of the web, and you should be able to have multiple blogs on multiple platforms, and they're all talking to each other using Webmention. And so you can see this in action. And of course, if you reply to someone else's blog on Micro.blog, the opposite happens. Micro.blog automatically sees if they support Webmention and sends the reply over to their blog so they can include it, for example, in a WordPress comment. So a lot of this I'm really excited about, because this has been building for years now in the IndieWeb community. And I think we're getting close to where websites talking to each other and like this happening automatically with just really great user interface is becoming more real. And I'd love to see more of this kind of thing happen. And we'll support everything I can in Micro.blog. Thanks so much. And that's it.